So this is a short video to show one possible way of using the web client to select content for translation in InRiver. As you can see, I'm logging in as PIM user 2. I go to the enrich module and build a search query here. Exactly how you build this search query to find the products that are available for translation is something that is really out of the scope for the connector. This is more a process of making sure that your local market web editors can find the content that has been signed off and in the master language and is available for translation. So here I have 22 products that are available for translation. I add a second work area and I select all the products, but I decide that there are a number of products that I don't want to translate for my particular market. So I deselect them here. I don't want these products. And the remaining set of the 22 products I simply drag and drop into a new work area. This new work area I save. I place it under the common shared, and this is a Braun project, and I am selecting content for the French market, so I give this content selection a name indicating the the market, and since I saved the project under common shared, it will also be available to any other user in InRiver. So I exit the web client and I log in as a different user in the rich client. It's loading up and I go in under the My Work Area folders and under Braun here I can see that the content selection or the work area that I saved. So I simply select it, select all the products and add them to the translation queue, or 17 items. Then I send them off using the send project feature. Select source language and target language is French. Give it a project name. And the idea here is that you could have one person at Braun logging into the rich client and actually sending off all the content selections for translation that the web editors do. So you would have the market people making content selection in the web editors in the web client, save their work areas and notify an administrator who then logs into the rich client to send it off for translation. And the project has been sent. So next. I have already imported the translations here, so the Braun France project is 100% imported. I select it. I have translations imported here, so I create a new task here and I call it returning translations. Give it a description based on the name of the original project, and this might be possible to do in a much more efficient manner where you actually add the entities to the task, but I'm not really an InRiver expert, so I'm just making a task. I'm assigning it to my French market user and send it off. Next, when I log in as PIM user 2, who is my French market reviewer, and I go to the enrich module, I will see that I have a new task assigned to me. Returning translations, and the name is the same as the folder I created under Braun. So now I can see the translations that have been returned if I go into the product here. So that's about it.